Welcome back to the channel NKJ Anime and Video. We are reviewing the Dopo Orochi versus A Man Who Can't See. The story starts by a man walking on the road with his stick and hitting the ground tick 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 and walking with the help of his stick as like a blind man walking on the road. As he walked through a town, he passed through several houses and entered into a park-like area and making his way through hitting the sticks around him. When he enters a forest into a park and move towards it, then stopping in the center of the forest in an open area and says this should be enough, right? And say aloud, now you can stop hiding, to Dopo Orochi, who is hiding behind him under a tree. Then Dopo Orochi come out of the trees and says, guess I need to work on my stalker skills. Or could it be that you saw me? The blind man says, wow, you have amazing physique. Dopo Orochi, looking confused, says, can you see me? Blind man says, you are 178 meter tall, your weight is 110 kilos, and not a gram of fat on you. I was able to learn all of that from the sound of your footsteps. Then started rumbling a rock on the ground with his toes. You walk pretty light on your feet. You are well trained. And kicking that rock on his face on Dopo Orochi's. The rock hits the Dopo Orochi's face, but he didn't flick or dodged it. Blind man says, you didn't dodge. Dopo Orochi says in confused, is it insight? Did you gain some ability from loss of his sight? Well then, what kind of business could a fine specimen like yourself have with a blind man like me? I have heard rumors regarding your skills and I doubt their validation. Blind man laughs a little and says, if you doubt my skills, why don't you just attack me? Isn't that the easiest way to get your answers? There's one thing a true martial artist will never do, and that is run away from a fight. It doesn't matter if you use weapons or attack me from surprise or come at me in groups. Dopo Orochi says, you sure are brave. In a real fight, there's no such thing as fair play. Orochi says, I am starting to believe those rumors from just a bit. The ones that say that even though you are blind, you are still the number one fighting. Blind man says, those rumors aren't what I might call accurate. Do not let anything stop the process of your skill. That is the real definition of strength. And only within that definition, I am number one. Dopo Orochi admires blind man and says, you are pretty awesome. You have made it so that I have no choice but to fight you right now. The blind man hits the sticks on the ground so hard that he stands in straight without any support and says, this is rather strange to be caught up in the fight like this and to be happy about it at the same time. Strange indeed. The Dopo Orochi is surprised and thinks his aura just changed, but he still looks so calm, relaxed. Even though we are about to fight, even though he is so young, it's as I am fighting a real master. He is coming. He is already starting. Just now he enters in my range. Can he perceive everything? Dopo imagined. The blind man raise and stand in front of him. Perhaps he can still perceive the outlining of the things. No, he is completely blind. The blind man smiling and standing on the face of the Dopo Orochi. And if you lose one sense, then all your other senses will be heightened. Then the blind man kicks the Dopo in his head. Orochi falls down on the ground and says he is strong. We were so close, our nose damn touched, and he could still kick like that. Dopo Orochi thinks he used the sound of my voice, calculate my height and pinpoint my location. Blind man hits hard on the Dopo Orochi's eyes near nose with his knuckles. Doporochi thinks the sound that I produce as I hit the ground to calculate the amount of weight that I was being pressed down. Blind man says, that strong voice of yours. It's a common side effect of having a very strong neck. You are tough. While Doporochi just dodges his punch. And the blind man strike against, but Doporochi dodging the punch by jumping up in the air instantly. Yes, you are still young. She kicks the blind man, but the blind man catches his kick with his arms. It resembles the style of the left-hand fighter. Fighting against the healthy people is everyday thing for me. Most of you healthy people tend to use karate against me. This is not as if this is something new for me. And kicks Doporochi on head. This is indeed nothing new. Doporochi started bleeding from his nose and mouth. Kneeled before the blind man. Man says, so do you think the rumors are true now? Doporochi started smiling and then laughing. The blind man's confused. And Doporochi says, it hasn't been a real fight up till now. Has it? The blind man gets confused. Then suddenly Doporochi turns his face, moves very quickly towards the blind man and says there are about 365 vital points on the human body. By performing acupuncture, you can even improve one's eyesight. And hit very hard with his thumb in the back of the blind man's head. In blind man's eyes, the retina starting glowing up. Doporochi says, let there be light. The blind man starting to see things. The light has starting to enter in. Things in front of him starting to brighten up. The blind man says, I was born into the dark. I grew up not knowing anything else. Then the blind man starting seeing things. Doporochi says, nice to meet you. I accept that as my reality, said the blind man. I have never experienced the full glory of the what people call colors. They flew into my retinas without any mercy. Colors, shapes, light, that is too much stimulation for my brain to handle at once. My cerebrum shut down in an instant. It wanted to find its peace in the dark. A martial artist was dragged into the light. He was roused from his world of darkness. Doporochi punches him, but just stops near his face and says the fight is over, isn't it? And man standing still straight. Doporochi bows as him saying goodbye and turned and start walking away. Then the voice from the behind. Excuse me. Doporochi turns back. The blind man starting sweating very hard and says, please give back to me. Please give it back to me. Doporochi said, the dark? Blind man says, yes. Doporochi understands. Of course, I will do that for you, Kurigami Senpai. For you, the dark is the place where you feel safe. Doporochi strikes with his two fingers and popped his both eyes from his head and says, allow me to give the back to you, dark. Both his eyes popped out of his head, and then the blind man smiled again, feeling happy. He get what he wanted. He is holding his both eyes in his hands and still smiling like he has won everything. Doporochi says, oh young practitioner, and left. The blind man thanking him from behind, holding both his hand with his eyes. Thank you for the light. That's it for this chapter, A Flash of Light. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos we upload daily.